Okay, gang, for 3.2, you need to know the rules, the derivatives for the trig functions, okay? So the derivative of sine is cos, the derivative of cos is negative sine, the derivative of tangent is secant squared, the derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent, the derivative of secant is secant tan, the derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared. I'm going to help you get the negatives correct, because this was what I learned when a way I learned to memorize this when I learned calculus, and I don't memorize well, so this trick is really great. If you notice, everything that has an output of a negative, this one has an output of a negative, negative, negative. Everything that has an output of a negative, the derivative starts with a c. The derivative starts with a c. So if the derivative starts with a c, the answer is negative. If you notice, all the other derivatives don't start with a c. Okay, so that might help you. So if the derivative starts with a c, the answer is negative. So I want you to know those so that when you do your examples, you're going to be referencing this, right? So for instance, if I do this derivative here, this is linear, so the slope of this is 3. And then the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So even though there's a plus here, it's going to be plus a negative sine. So it's just going to end up being negative sine x. So that's the derivative of that. Okay, if we try this one. If you recall, the derivative of e to the x is e to the x, very good. And the derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent. It's this guy right here. So again, even though there's a plus, you're going to have a negative afterwards, so it's going to make it negative. Negative cosecant x cotangent x. Okay, and that's the derivative of this one. These other ones are too difficult. We haven't learned these rules yet. We'll get to that. So let me just to give you a third one. Let's try this one here. So the derivative of this. So derivative of sine is cos. And derivative of tangent is secant squared. So that would be the derivative of the f function. Okay, gang, I am going to come back with another video after this, but please memorize this. Let's see, in your textbook, if you want to find the page in your textbook, I don't know if I can find it quickly. Apparently I can't. Okay. Alright, if I find it, I'll put it in the next video. I'll catch you on this one, okay? You need to know these. Catch you. Bye-bye.